Swagatam Kapati Mathematics classes. Guru Bhyo Namaha. This is your Murali Krishna, Mathematics teacher. In present video, I am going to introduce the concept mathematical reasoning. You will find this chapter as a 14th chapter in your 11th class mathematics course of CBSE students. This chapter is also called Boolean algebra. Why is it called Boolean algebra? Because it is introduced by mathematician George Boolean. For the Western countries, this Boolean algebra may be new before George Boolean, but whereas for Indians, this is not new. It was and it is famous with the name Tarka Shastra and Mimamsa Shastra. Now let us come to the lesson. What is mathematical reasoning? Suppose you are in a situation and you need to take a right decision so that you can move ahead further. The situation may be mathematical or non-mathematical. To take a right decision in a situation, you need a skill of reasoning. So, what is meant by reasoning? Reasoning is nothing but analytical, logical thinking. Okay, now come to next point. To understand any language literature of any language, you must have good hold on that language. And you know very well language means vocabulary, grammar, etc. Similarly, to understand mathematics, you must know mathematical language. Now this chapter, maybe the name is the mathematical reasoning, but it tells you what is the language of mathematics. So in this chapter, we are going to learn mathematical language in the name of mathematical reasoning. So this is the introduction for this chapter. The basic unit of this chapter, mathematical reasoning, is statement. What is a statement? Statement is just a simple sentence. Statement is a sentence. Please wait. But every sentence is not a statement. Every sentence is not a statement. Let us observe some examples of sentences. For example, Delhi is capital of India. I'll go for second example, a mathematical example. 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. I go for another example. What is your name? It's also a sentence. The fourth one, How beautiful. Temple. These. All these are sentences. Now, if you observe one by one, the Delhi is the capital of India. It is declaration. I am declaring that the Delhi is the capital of India. Is it true? Yes. Since Delhi is the capital of India, it is a true declarative sentence. Whereas this 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. It is also declarative. I am declaring that 2 plus 3 is equal to 7. Of course, it is a false. It is also declarative. I am declaring something. Come the third one. What is your name? I am asking question. I am asking question. What is your name? And it is not declaring anything. And fourth one. How beautiful temple it is. I am explaining that yes, the temple is beautiful. But here I am expressing. I am not declaring. Now, these two sentences are not statements. Why? Because they are not declaring anything. Whereas these two are called statements. Why? Because they are declaring something. So, what is a statement? Statement is a sentence which is either true or false, but not both. This is meaning of statement. So again repeat, statement means a sentence which is either true or false, but not both. Let me write the definition on the board. Statement. A sentence which is either true or false, but not both. Is called a statement. Is called a statement. Example. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Why don't we start with false? 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. A statement. And the second example, I can go for second example is Delhi is capital of India. Number 3, any mathematics example. Sum of angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. Whereas Delhi is the capital of India is also true. And sum of angles of a triangle is 360, which is false. Now, as usual, we have notations for these statements. In this chapter, most of the statements are denoted by notation. Statements are denoted by denoted by small or first alphabets P, Q, and so on. So statement 1, P colon 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. And Q is a statement. Delhi is the capital of India. And this is R colon. So it is a way of expressing the statement. First you write the symbol, the colon, next statement, and with the period. Of course, period is stop. Next Q colon, statement, and full stop. Next again R colon, sum of angles of a triangle is 360 dot. So in this way you have to write, you have to express the statement. So this is statement. Now if you observe carefully, the first statement is true and second statement is also true. Third statement is false. This true, this false are called truth value of the statement. What do you call? Truth value of the statement. So what is the truth value of statement? Telling that given statement is true or false is called a truth value. Telling, so the next concept is truth value of the statement. Truth value of the statement. Truth value of a statement. Telling a given statement is true or false. True or false is called telling its truth value. It's a truth value. For example, P statement is true if a statement is true, it's a truth value. Is true and denoted by capital D. If a truth value, if the statement is false, then its truth value is false, denoted by For example, I have P in the statement. 2 times of 7 is equal to 10. It is a false, so simply we write its truth value is false, denoted by F. And I have another statement say Q is equal to, within, again we'll go for Delhi is capital of India. It is true. So, truth value of this statement is false, denoted by F, and the truth value of Q statement is true, denoted by P. Please note down. The next important concept is negation of a statement. I'll tell you what is meant by negation of a statement. I have a statement, maybe true or false. Just by adding no or not, just by adding no or not to the given statement, we get negation of a statement. Very simple. It will be any statement. Its negation is denoted by symbol C, that is or this. So P is a statement and this is read as negation of P. Negation of P. How do we obtain let P? Example. We get negation of a statement by adding no or not to the original statement. Example. P. You say, I'll give a simple example. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Which is true. Then my negation of P is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So you have to add not. Equal symbol is there. Simply you write 2 plus 3 is not equal to 5. Of course, this is false. So this is a statement. This is negation of statement. Now, for example, Indian Academy, Indian economy is good. Assume that it is true. Assume that it is true. And what is negation of Q you have? Negation of Q is Indian economy is not good. Not good. Just adding not. So it's false. So negation of a statement means just denying the statement. Denying statement, please understand, denying statement is a lot of difference between the opposite of the statement. Whatever statement you are saying that I am denying that, it's not completely opposite. It is not completely opposite. Please understand this one. Please focus. Another example. QR. All the prime numbers are odd numbers. Now its negation is negation of all the prime numbers are not odd numbers. Here that means the statement is given all the prime numbers are odd numbers. You are denying that. You are denying that. See, again I am telling, the denying is different from opposing. Denying. So you are saying no to that one statement. Now what is the negation statement? All the prime numbers are not odd numbers. That means you are believing that there is at least one prime number, which is not odd. That is your belief. That is, you are denying the statement. That's all. And of course, and this is false, and this is true. So whenever a statement is true, its negation is false. Whenever a statement is false, its negation is true. You can tabulate this, and this tabulation is called truth table. So next concept is truth table.